Hi guys.
My name is Jeff.
Just kidding. Welcome to another video with Jessie. And today I'm going to show you how to make some bomb ass tacos using these ingredients. And hands down, my favorite seasoning of all time that I use on almost everything. Fajita Sazon Blanco from El Venado, and buy it at your local Michoacana. I'm also going to use onion powder, garlic powder, and no double black pepper. The next bottle is actually Cajun seasoning from Wingstop. So next time you go to Wingstop, order some Cajun seasoning on the side. And black pepper we're gonna use, and salt to taste. So I actually forgot to put dried parsley flakes on here, but we'll later add it on the video. But highly recommend El Venado Fajita Seasoning Blanco from Michoacana. Go get it. I highly recommend. And we're gonna add onions. You know how us Mexican we do it, chile, tomate, cebolla on fucking everything, but my kids don't like tomato ni jalapeno, so onions will do. And I am gonna show you the meat that I buy. Is called Bistec Suave, and I also buy it from the Michoacana. I'm gonna rinse it out, and we're gonna chop it up with some scissors. And you want to cut it in cubes, bite size, so every time you bite into your taco, you're not biting off a long strip. So that's the way I like it. Cut it however you want to do, you homegirl. So I'm going to rinse that bin, and I am going to put my meat back in there so it can make my life much easier when I'm cooking. And after you put it in the bin, just set it aside. Disinfect your counter because it gets messy when you're chopping off bistec suave and the blood is everywhere when you rinse it out. So my dumbass forgot to press record, and I didn't record the part where I grabbed my rusty ass pan, my favorite pan, because if you cook, you know what I mean. You grab that one pan that is your favorite pan and you choose it over any pan. Yeah, I did not record that part, but I already added fajita sazon blanco. Again, highly recommend. And I added onion powder already. I added garlic powder, and this is where I left off. So add Cajun seasoning. You want to eyeball it with all the dry rubs, and just on your preference, you can add more or less. You can do just fine with El Venado con chile, tomate, y cebolla, and it'll be bomb as fuck. So I'm going to use black pepper now, and I'm just eyeballing it. And then I'm going to use salt to taste. I don't know if it's me, but I'm fucking salty as fuck that I have to add salt. But con El Venado, it already has salt in it. So if you put too much of El Venado, it's going to be too salty if you add more salt. So go lightly on El Venado seasoning rub. And then we're going to add some parsley flakes. Like I said, you don't have to add all these rubs. You will do just fine con chile, tomate, cebolla, y el venado. That's how good that rub is. I highly recommend. Stop at your local Michoacana and get it. It's bomb as fuck. Then add your onions. So this is the part where you like to add the onions, and the chile, tomate, cebolla. You add it and you stir it, and it'll just like get aguadito, and like I don't know, it'll be good. And add a jalapeno. This will make a big difference. It'll taste so fucking good if you add it. But my kids, they don't like spicy, so I can't add it. But you want to stir everything until all the water evaporates. And then you're going to set this aside, and you're going to grab a sartén, and you're going to put oil. I put a lot of fucking oil because it just makes it good. I don't know, something about greasy tacos makes it delicious. I don't know. I think I got it from my mom because she always added beans with a lot of oil in it. I don't know. She just, everything greasy, everything makes taste good. Everything con grasa is good. Not healthy, but it does taste good. And I'm gonna flip these tortillas, and I'm gonna have my cilantro, pico de gallo, onions, and my favorite sauce. Oh my god, I love it. And we're gonna create these tacos so I can eat. I am starving. So I am gonna add the chicken, not the chicken, the beef, and I'm gonna sprinkle on some onions, and I'm gonna sprinkle on some cilantro, and add hella of avocado. I love avocado. Then I'm gonna add this bomb ass salsa.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
And there you have it, guys. We're done. These are the bomb ass fucking tacos I'm talking about. Everybody's telling me to make the recipe for them, but if you want to be extra, add some cheese, add some sour cream, and they will even be even more awesome, more bomb as fuck. You will love it. I usually make these tacos when I host parties for my kids, my husband, just any party in general that I throw, and everybody loves my tacos. And I hope you like this, guys. It really tastes good. Do try two with sour cream and cheese and two without it, and you'll be the judge. I forgot to add lemon, but I did it off camera right before I ate it, so it's all good. Don't forget that lemon, guys. That lemon makes a difference. But yes, try it with cheese and try it without it. It'll be bomb. I promise you guys will love it. Your family will love it. You will enjoy. Everybody will enjoy. So bomb as fuck. So I made myself this fucking horchata, wannabe horchata, because it did not taste nothing like that. Ugh. Whatever. But these tacos are bomb. So that horchata was whatever. So I hope you love these tacos. Let me know in the comments if you made it and enjoyed them, and give a thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.